Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the fourth problem of AtCoder beginner contest 314, which is lower. So we are given a string s of length n consisting of uppercase and lowercase English letters. Also we can do q operations on the string. The first operation is that we can change the xith character of the string s to ci. The second operation is that we can convert all uppercase letter of s to lowercase, and for the third operation we can convert all the lowercase letters to the uppercase. Okay, the second and third operation is kind of inverse. Now we have to print the string s after executing all the queries. So let's take the first example and consider what is happening. So the first example is nothing but AtCoder. Now 1 4 I, that means we are using one based indexing here. Okay. Now 1 4 I, that means we have to change the fourth character of the string to small I. So the string will be AtCider. And the third in the second operation we are doing type 3 operation. Type 3 operation is nothing but we are converting all lowercase letters to uppercase. So when we are converting all lowercase letter to the uppercase, it will be nothing but AtCider all capitals. In third operation we are changing the fifth character to B, so it will be AtCyber, but B will be lowercase. In the fourth operation we are this is the second type of operations when we are converting all uppercase letters to lowercase, so it will be AtCyber all lowercase. In the fifth operation you can see that we are changing the fourth character again to Y, so it will be AtCyber Y capital others small, so our answer will be AtCyber. So, what is the problem? The problem requires some observation from you. The first observation you can make is that we can't do the second and third operation again and again. Let's say we have let's say we have n number of sorry q number of type 2 and type 3 operation, and in each of those operation what we can do, we are changing all the letters. Okay, so this is order of n type operation, so our overall type complexity will be order of n into order of q if all the operations are of type uh, 2 or type 3. So that is the one thing to observe, is that we can't do every operation, like brute force will not pass. That's a simple thing. Now now we will require some observation. So let's say what is the observation. The observation here is that when we are doing the type 2 operation, type 2 operation means that all uppercase to lowercase. So type 2 means all uppercase to lowercase. That means that si will contain some lowercase letters and some uppercase letters. Okay, now when we are converting every uppercase to lowercase, our string will be nothing but everything is lowercase. Similarly for 3, we are converting lowercase to uppercase, so our lu will be nothing but uu. Okay, so this is the thing you have to observe. This is the easiest thing and most important thing you have to observe, is that when we are doing type 2 or type 3 operation, the after performing the operation, the case of all the letters of the string will be same. Either it will be lowercase for type 2 or it will be uppercase for type 3. Okay, so after observing this, the second observation or the most important one for this is that the last type 2 or type 3 operation is needed to us, because let's say we are performing some 2 3 2 3 2 2 3 4 2 2 3. This above operation will not matter, because the last type 3 or type 2 operation will decide what will be the case of the letters. Okay, and after that there will be some type 1 operation. So this this thing combined this thing combined will decide the case of the letters. Okay, so this is the problem. Like, the problem is solved now, because we have just decreased the time complexity of this order of n to order of 1. The time complexity will be nothing but order of 1 into order of q, so order of q will be the time complexity. So the only thing to we have to find is that last type 2 or 3 operation and do the operation. That's the thing. So let's go on to the code. So what I am doing here, I am appending I comma xi, where I is the index of this operation for type 1, and if the type of the operation is 2 or 3, I am taking last as type. Okay, I comma type. Why I am taking this I? This is needed. So we will be iterating all type 1 operations. So if the current I is greater than last, last means the last type 2 or type 3 operation, we'll apply this type 2 or type 3 operation. This convert thing is nothing but if type is 2, last one is nothing but type. So if type is 2, we are converting the character to lower, or else it will be converted to upper. So if our current index, our current query is greater than type 2 or type 3, last type 2 or type 3, we are converting it this to this and changing the last of 0 to q. Now if the last of 0 is q minus 1, that means we have some 1 1 1 1, then 2 or 3, then we have to do the type 2 or 2 or type 3 operation at the last. So we are making this conversion, okay, and at the end we are printing the answer. This problem is quite straightforward, just it will require two observation here. This is the first observation and this is the second observation. I hope you got the explanation. If you still have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.